my name is Sarah. I'm doing it for several reasons. I'm 60 this year, so I thought it'd be a good challenge to be doing my 60th year. My husband died of a heart attack about 5 years ago. My dad had a stroke last year and my mum had open heart surgery 2 years ago. So I've got lots of family links. And it popped up on Facebook, and I was with a couple of mad friends and we said, let's do it. We're at the top of the bridge, we're just about to go along the walkway, we're dead excited, bring it on.